Hello. Welcome to Hello Simple English. My name is Ricky.
Hello, my name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Ricky.
Today, we are talking about introductions. Talking about yourself in English. This is very important English. Very simple, very useful.
Yes, people ask this all the time.
Let's start slowly. When you meet someone, you say, hello,
Hello,
or you can say, hi.
hi,
Very good. Now you say your name. You say, my name is Ricky.
my name is Emma.
Perfect. Now let's practice together. My name is...
My name is Emma.
Good job. Now another common question. People ask, what is your name?
What is your name?
And you answer, my name is...
My name is Emma.
Excellent. Now let's talk about where you are from. People ask, where are you from?
Where are you from?
You answer, I am from the United States.
I am from the United States.
Very good. You can also say, I'm from the United States.
I'm from the United States.
Perfect. Now let's practice. Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
Great. Now another very common question. What do you do?
What do you do?
This means your job. You can say, I am a student,
I am a student.
or I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Very good. Now let's practice slowly. What do you do?
I am a student.
Excellent. Now let's talk about likes. People ask, what do you like?
What do you like?
You can say, I like music,
I like music.
or I like coffee.
I like coffee.
Perfect. Now let's practice together. I like...
I like music.
Great job. Now let's have a short conversation. Hello, my name is Ricky. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you like?
I like music.
Excellent. This is real English. Simple English.
Yes, very simple.
Now let's review. Hello, my name is...
My name is Emma.
I am from...
I am from the United States.
I am a...
I am a student.
I like...
I like music.
Perfect. Listen again. Repeat again. You are learning English. Now let's continue our conversation. After introductions, people often ask simple questions.
Yes, small talk.
Exactly. Small talk is short and friendly. A common question is about where you live. People ask, where do you live?
Where do you live?
You can answer, I live in New York.
I live in New York.
Very good. You can also say, I live in the city.
I live in the city.
Perfect. Now let's practice. Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Great. Another common question is about your day. People ask, how is your day?
How is your day?
You can answer, it is good.
It is good.
Or you can say, it is busy.
It is busy.
Very good. Now let's practice together. How is your day?
It is good.
Excellent. Now let's talk about free time. People ask, What do you do in your free time?
What do you do in your free time?
You can answer with simple verbs. I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I read books.
I read books.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
Perfect. Now let's practice. What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music.
Great job. Now let's make a short conversation. Where do you live?
I live in New York.
How is your day?
It is good.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV.
Excellent. This is very common English. You hear this every day.
Yes, it is easy to understand.
Easy English builds confidence. Now let's review. Where do you live?
I live in New York.
How is your day?
It is good.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV.
Perfect. Listen again. Repeat again. English is step by step. Now let's talk about daily routine.
Daily routine is what you do every day.
Yes, very common English. People often ask, what do you do every day?
What do you do every day?
You can answer with simple actions. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I study English.
I study English.
Perfect. Now let's talk about the morning. In the morning, people say, I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
Very good. Now let's practice. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up and have breakfast.
Excellent. Now let's talk about the afternoon. In the afternoon, you can say, I work,
I work.
or I study.
I study.
Very good. Now let's practice again. What do you do in the afternoon?
I work.
Great. Now let's talk about the evening. In the evening, people say, I relax.
I relax.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
Perfect. Now let's practice together. What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV and relax.
Excellent. Now let's make a short conversation. What do you do every day?
I wake up early.
What do you do in the morning?
I have breakfast.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I work.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax and listen to music.
Very good. This is daily English. Simple and real.
Yes, easy to remember.
Now let's review. I wake up.
I wake up.
I work.
I work.
I relax.
I relax.
Perfect. English is part of your day. Now let's talk about feelings.
Feelings are how you feel.
Yes, this is very common English. People often ask, how are you?
How are you?
You can answer in simple ways. I am good.
I am good.
I am fine.
I am fine.
I am okay.
I am okay.
Very good. Now let's talk about being happy. You can say, I am happy,
I am happy.
or I feel happy.
I feel happy.
Perfect. Now let's talk about being tired. You can say, I am tired.
I am tired.
Very common sentence. Now let's talk about being busy. You can say, I am busy.
I am busy.
Good. Now let's practice. How are you?
I am good.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy.
Excellent. Now let's make a short conversation. Hello, Emma. How are you today?
I am good.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Are you tired?
A little tired.
That is okay. Now let's review. I am good.
I am good.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am busy.
I am busy.
Perfect. These words are very useful.
Yes, we use them every day.
You are doing very well.
Now let's talk about simple plans.
Plans are what you do next.
Yes, very simple English. People often ask, what are you doing today?
What are you doing today?
You can answer, I am working today.
I am working today.
Or, I am studying today.
I am studying today.
Perfect. Now, another question. What are you doing tomorrow?
What are you doing tomorrow?
You can say, I am working tomorrow.
I am working tomorrow.
Or, I am relaxing tomorrow.
I am relaxing tomorrow.
Very good. Now let's practice. What are you doing today?
I am studying today.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I am relaxing tomorrow.
Excellent. Now let's do a final review. We learned how to say hello, hello, hi.
Hello. Hi.
We learned how to talk about yourself. My name is,
My name is Emma.
I am from.
I am from the United States.
We learned about daily routine. I wake up. I work. I relax.
I wake up. I work. I relax.
We learned about feelings. I am good. I am happy. I am tired.
I am good. I am happy. I am tired.
We learned about plans. I am studying today. I am relaxing tomorrow.
I am studying today. I am relaxing tomorrow.
Perfect. This is real English. Simple English.
Yes, very simple.
Now let's talk a little more about likes.
Likes are things you enjoy.
Yes, very simple English. People ask, what do you like?
What do you like?
You can answer with simple words. I like music.
I like music.
I like movies.
I like movies.
I like coffee.
I like coffee.
Perfect. You can also say what you don't like. I don't like noise.
I don't like noise.
Very good. Now, let's practice together. What do you like?
I like music.
What don't you like?
I don't like noise.
Excellent. Now, a short conversation. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Nice. Me too. Talking about likes is very common.
Yes, people talk about this a lot.
Now, let's practice everything slowly. Listen and repeat. Hello.
Hello.
My name is Ricky.
My name is Emma.
I am from the United States.
I am from the United States.
I am a student.
I am a student.
I like music.
I like music.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am studying today.
I am studying today.
Very good. This is how you talk about yourself in English.
Simple and clear.
You can use this English every day.
At work, with friends.
Repeat the sentences. You don't need to be fast.
You just need to practice.
Exactly.
Now let's slow down and speak clearly. When you talk about yourself, confidence is important. You don't need long sentences. Short sentences are good.
Yes, short sentences are easy.
Let's practice speaking slowly. You can say, my name is.
My name is Emma.
Very good. You can say, I am from.
I am from the United States.
Perfect. You can say, I am a.
I am a student.
Excellent. Now let's connect sentences. Listen carefully. My name is Emma. I am from the United States. I am a student.
My name is Emma. I am from the United States. I am a student.
Very clear English. Now let's add one more sentence. I like music.
I like music.
Great. Now listen again. My name is Emma. I am from the United States. I am a student. I like music.
My name is Emma. I am from the United States. I am a student. I like music.
Excellent. This is a full introduction, simple and strong.
Yes, I feel comfortable saying this.
That is important. If you forget a word, it is okay. Just speak slowly.
People understand.
Exactly. Now let's practice one more time together. My name is.
My name is Emma.
I am from.
I am from the United States.
I am a.
I am a student.
I like.
I like music.
Perfect. You are speaking English.
Yes, simple English.
Now, let's do a calm listening practice. You don't need to speak fast. Just listen and understand. I will say a sentence, then Emma will say it again. Hello, my name is Ricky.
Hello, my name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you like?
I like music.
Excellent. This conversation is very common.
Yes, people use this every day.
At work, at school, online. Now, relax. You learned a lot today.
Yes, step by step.
Listen again tomorrow. Repeat the sentences. Little by little, you improve.
English becomes natural.
Now let's continue speaking slowly and naturally. Talking about yourself is something you do many times in life. You meet new people. You start conversations.
Yes, this happens every day.
That is why simple English is important. Let's practice again with calm sentences. You can start like this. Hello, my name is Ricky.
Hello, my name is Emma.
Very good. Then you add one sentence. I am from the United States.
I am from the United States.
Good. Then one more sentence. I am a student.
I am a student.
Perfect. Now let's add how you feel. I am happy.
I am happy.
Or you can say, I am tired.
I am tired.
Very good. Now listen to this full introduction. Hello, my name is Emma. I am from the United States. I am a student. I like music. I am happy today.
Hello, my name is Emma. I am from the United States. I am a student. I like music. I am happy.
Excellent. This is enough English. You don't need more.
Yes, it is simple and clear.
When you speak slowly, people understand you.
That makes me feel confident.
Confidence is very important. Now take a moment. Breathe. Relax. You are learning English.
Step by step.
You are doing a great job. Let's remember what we learned. We learned how to say hello. Hello. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
We learned how to say your name. My name is.
My name is Emma.
We learned how to say where you are from. I am from the United States.
I am from the United States.
We learned how to talk about your life. I am a student. I work. I relax.
I am a student. I work. I relax.
We learned how to talk about feelings. I am good. I am happy. I am tired.
I am good. I am happy. I am tired.
We learned how to talk about plans. I am studying today. I am relaxing tomorrow.
I am studying today. I am relaxing tomorrow.
Perfect. This is real English. Simple English.
Yes, English you can use.
Listen again when you have time. Repeat the sentences slowly. Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly. Thank you for listening to Hello Simple English.
Thank you for learning with us.
We are very happy you are here.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.